here, sugar. Ooh, I done made it in the house now. I done made it in the house. That corona is bad. It's bad, sugar. I'm Miss Sweet Short Sally, and I'm short on time, and time is short, so I'm gonna make this quick. So you better listen and listen good. Make sure you wear your mask and wash your hands and your face. I washed my hands before I took my mask off, sugar. That's right, I don't want to contaminate any of that. Oh, you heard what I say? You better listen. Miss Sweet Short Sally knows, sugar. Yes, she does. Well, ooh, wait, what we doing today? Ooh, wait. I may have to use my La Chancla. Knock some sense into you. So today, sugar, we're gonna be talking about run-on sentences. Woo! Run-on sentences is like a friend you can't get rid of, but you have to learn how to do it. Sometimes you have to learn how to do it right. Can you get rid of that friend that just runs their mouth on and on and on and on and on and on till the break of dawn, until you about to pass out? You listening, they never stop, they never take a breath, they never take a pause, they never slow down. You like, ooh, stop. Wait 1 minute, can I catch my breath? I feel like I've been talking all this time, but it's been you. You don't stop to take a breather. You don't stop to separate your thoughts. Let me tell you, sugar, we got a fix for those type of friends and those type of sentences, and I'm gonna show you how, sugar. I know my daughter is a teacher, and sometimes she says, Mom, I don't know if those kids like me. I say, why would you say that, sugar? Those babies love you. They love you, baby. She says, Mom, when they write stuff, they just keep going on and on and on and on and on and on. It'll be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines of words on the paper with no punctuation. And I was like, so, okay, maybe they need just a little practice. Says, no, Mom, sometimes I get dizzy because I want to read what they write. I want to read what they have to say. I want to read their thoughts, but then I get lightheaded because I'm looking for the punctuation, the pause, the exclamation mark, the question mark, anything to make me slow down and stop so I can take a breath. Y'all better stop doing that, baby, like that. So I'm here, I'm gonna help her out a little bit, okay, sugar? Come on over here with me. Come on over here with Miss Sweet Short Sally. We're gonna work this thing out. We're gonna learn the basics of this, okay, sugar? Now I'm short on time and time is short. So we're gonna do a few examples and then I gotta move on down the road, honey. I gotta move on and ease on down that road. If you don't know about that, you better find out. Let me check myself out. Ooh, yes. Ooh, that corona didn't get my hair. Ooh, yes. All right, sugar, let's get started. The first thing we want to know, what is a run-on sentence and how do you identify it? Well, sugar, when you have a lot of thoughts and a lot of ideas all wrapped into one sentence without any punctuation, that means you got too many thoughts in one sentence. How about we get 1 or 2 thoughts in a sentence, but there's a way to do it, sugar. You can't have more than one thought in a sentence without using certain things, okay? Now I'm gonna give you some ideas what you can use, sugar, to have maybe 1 or 2 thoughts in a sentence that'll make it not be a run-on. You hear me, sugar? No more run-ons, okay? We need to put some punctuations up in there, okay? So once again, a run-on sentence is when you have 2 or more ideas in a sentence. Okay, usually you need the one idea, you need a subject, and you need a verb, and a period, okay? A period, did you hear me? A period, an exclamation mark, a comma, the question mark, you need something, okay? Okay, you make my nerves bad, sugar. Ooh-wee, I gotta calm down. Ooh-wee, I gotta calm down. Ooh-wee. All right, so look at here. Can a run-on be fixed? Yes, it can. We can fix it with the obvious, a period, point blank period. That's what y'all like to say. I hear you young ones saying that. I'm up on this leg, cause that be busted. Okay, you can use a period. You can use a comma. You can use a semicolon. Now, I know my daughter said y'all talked about a semicolon. You have one independent clause plus another independent clause, and you put them together, but you use a semicolon. Both sides of the semicolon can be an independent clause and be on its own. So anyway, the other thing you can add is called the coordinating conjunction. You learned about, don't be silly. You learned about this, and I think in 5th grade or 6th grade, you probably just forgot. And sometimes they call them fanboys. What is that? Let me see if I can remember. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Fanboys. See, I knew you heard of that. You forgot. So you can join those two thoughts or ideas and put them into one sentence. So you need that coordinating conjunction. What is an independent clause? People are like, oh, what's an independent clause? She says an independent clause. That's what she says. So for an independent clause in a sentence, you need a few things. Let's see. You need a subject. Who is the sentence, or what is the sentence about? And you need a verb. And the most important thing, you need the thought, the complete thought, or the idea that you want to convey to your reader. So there you go. There's the basic foundations to writing complete sentences that are not run-on sentences. You want it to be an independent clause, and you're going to finish it with a period, okay? That's how you're going to finish it, with a period, exclamation mark, question mark, one thought. Now, if you want to combine two thoughts in a sentence, then you're going to need a comma, a semicolon, or coordinating conjunction. And I'm going to show you a few examples until you get it right. Because you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to knock the sentence to you. Yes, I am. This is a run-on sentence. I like fried chicken. Keyshawn likes pickled pepper pig's feet. Woo! What do you notice in this sentence? I'll give you a minute to think about it. How many thoughts or how many ideas are in this sentence? Luckily, there is a period. But how many thoughts are in that sentence? Look at it one more time. What do you notice? How will we fix this sentence with a period to make it two complete ideas? Separate. We're not trying to combine them right now, but we can. We can do a few things with this sentence. I like fried chicken. This is a complete thought. Keyshawn likes pickled peppered pig's feet. We're not going to talk about the alliteration there because that's not our topic. Keyshawn likes pickled peppered pig feet. That's a totally different idea. So we can add a period right here. We can possibly add a semicolon there as well because it's what they like to eat. So the sentences are like sentences. And if we want to add a coordinating conjunction, you can add a coordinating conjunction. Remember, it's one of the fanboys. Let's see. I'm just going to do fan. Okay. I'm going to add one of these four And, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay? I know we're running out of space, sugar, but stay with me, sugar, okay? So, I like fried chicken, and then we can turn this into a comma. You must have a comma before the coordinating conjunction. But you can say, I like fried chicken, but, and you put that in there. That's an editing mark. It means this but is going to go right in there. But Keyshawn likes pickled peppered pig feet. Now we've combined two complete ideas. We've done a few things. The first thing we did, we added a period. The second thing, we added a semicolon. And the third thing we did, we added a coordinating conjunction. You have to have the comma plus one of the fanboys, which brings them all together. That's like peanut butter and jelly. You got your bread. What's going to hold it together? The coordinated conjunction or the period, which will separate them to two independent clauses, or the semicolon, or your coordinating conjunction. So that's a coordinating conjunction. It's one of the fanboys for and, nor, but, or, yet. So you would use one of those to combine two complete thoughts into one complete sentence. Let's try a few more examples. Okay, sugar? So now we're going to try this together. We're going to try a few more together. So stop. You want to slow it down with a coordinated conjunction or a semicolon, or you want to stop, sugar. You want to stop. You want the person reading your stuff to be able to breathe. Okay? Do you hear me? They need to breathe, sugar. So, here we go. Today's weather is beautiful. It is not supposed to rain at all. What do you notice with this sentence? I'll give you a moment. Today's weather is beautiful. It is not supposed to rain at all this week. What are a few things we can do to this sentence so it's not a run-on? Because we have subjects, two verbs. We have a lot going on there. You got the weather. They talking about the weather. That's going to be your subject. And it's beautiful is your verb. It, that is your pronoun, which is the weather. And your other verb. Here we go. We can separate this by saying today's weather is beautiful, period. You can add a period right there. And then you want to start with this within capital I. It is not supposed to rain at all this week. That is an independent clause here, an independent clause there. Now, how can we take those two independent clauses and make it into a complete sentence and not a run-on sentence? We can change, we can add the period, make it two separate sentences, or we can use a semicolon, or we can use what? What's the other thing that we can use? Go, tell me, sugar. Tell me. Go on, sugar. Okay, I heard you. I heard that, baby. Right. We can put today's weather is beautiful, comma, and it is not supposed to rain at all this week. Use the coordinating conjunction and to bring them all together. And what must you have before the coordinating conjunction? Tell me, sugar. That's right. You got it. The comma. Okay, let's do one more. The store held a Corona sale. Customers received a 50% discount. What do you notice about this sentence? The store held a Corona sale. Customers received a 50% discount. The store held. Customers received. Subject verb. You can add a period. The store held a Corona sale, period. Capital C, capital C. Customers received a 50% discount. Those are two complete sentences. Two complete sentences. Two independent clauses. Same thing, have a subject and verb. So how can we can add the period. That's the one way to fix it. Another thing we can do, we can add a coordinating conjunction. The store held a Corona sale and customers received a 50-cent discount. Corona plays tennis. She also plays softball. You can add a period. You can add a semicolon, and you can add a coordinating conjunction. Corona plays tennis, comma, but she also plays softball. Okay, now here's the last one. All right there, sugar. I think that's enough examples for today. You have two thoughts in one sentence. You can separate those two thoughts by adding a period in between those thoughts. And one complete thought will have a verb and a subject. Subject and a verb, which will make that an independent clause, sugar. The other thing you can add a semicolon, or you can add a coordinating conjunction, which is also considered our fanboys, but they must have the comma before the coordinating conjunction. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our little lesson for today, sugar. Ooh-wee. I hope I knocked that sense into you a little bit. If you want me to come back, sugar, let me know. Leave a comment in the section below. All right, sugar. I hope you had a good day and take care of yourself. And make sure you put your mask on, sugar. I'm going to go home now. I'm tired. Ooh-wee. Y'all done wore me out, sugar. My name is Miss Sweet Short Sally, and I'm short on time, and time is short. Alright, sugar. Make sure you add some punctuation to your sentences. Keep your teachers alive. You don't want them passing out on you when they're reading your work, sugar. Ooh, I'll see you later, sugar. Until next time. Later.